Hello, my dear friends. Hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine as well. This is Abu Yusuf in front of you. Right now, I am in the central field of Noakhali Science and Technology University. And actually, I have come here to enjoy the environment as well as practicing my spoken English. But coming here, I have I have been astonished seeing the view. Oh my goodness, the view is totally awesome, also enjoyable. And over there are so many boys. They are playing football together. Also, that part there are some boys they are playing together. And this scenario is available in every afternoon. I'm also a sports lover, but cricket is my most favorite sports, and football is my second favorite sports. And some days ago, actually I got hurt on my nose, and that's why I don't want to play for a couple of days. And but I play cricket. Play cricket nowadays. Even I have played two matches in this center after completing my class. And also we'll play short boundary at night around 11 o'clock with my friends in front of Shahid Minar. Shahid Minar is over there, and behind me actually the academic building too. And apart from that, as we can see over there, academic building 3, that is 5-storied building, and academic 2 is 10-storied building. And the central field is crowded right now. And we play in this field. And every time you will get people, boys and girls, they come here to spend time. And this is amazing place to gossip as well. And if I say about Ramadan month, we have iftar together. And also there are many programs arranged in this field. To be honest, if anyone feel boring and depressed, if he come here, I hope his boringness will be removed automatically. And I want to inform one thing, that we know that in one team we can play only 11 players, but there are maybe playing more than 25 players, around 30 players, and they are playing together. And I saw that if anyone come to play in this field, and everyone get chance to play together, because the field is uh, enough longest, and also enough place. That's why around 30 boys can play together. And they are playing to, like, to feed their body. And this one kind of exercise. As we are a student, our main work is to study. And beside our study, we try to keep our body by exercising or playing. Yes, those who are sports lover, actually they feel the actual feelings of playing football in the afternoon. I don't want to make it more longer. And uh, if you love my videos, you can subscribe my channel. I'll upload many videos in future on regular basis. And after that, I have planned also to make video relevant laws. As I am law student, I'll try to I'll try to make aware all of you about our country's vital rules or laws, so that you can learn. I hope you will learn also different laws of our countries in future. Pray for me and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.